Maggie's first sight.
That was fun.
It's not even begun yet. Hang on. Ready? They hear you.
Hello.
Okay, bring it back up. Yes, you can. You can bring it. Not a girl.
I need help.
Okay, I'm gonna come and help you. Here, can you hang on to this? Hey, relax. Yeah, you're gonna swat you.
Help.
Bring it up, come on. Yes, you can.
Manel's gonna help you.
If you can't do it, then you can't go sliding. There you go, you're doing fine. Keep going.
I'm almost at the top.
There you go. Come on.
I think we do want to be doggy first.
Keep going.
I see logo chicken. I'm almost at the top.
Yeah, see? Shut up.
I'm at the top.
Keep going, you're not there yet. You want to go in the truck? So be quiet. You don't listen, so be quiet.
Hey.
Here, I'll help you.
I'm at the top.
You ready? Come on.
Was it fun?
Come on.
I'm having fun, but it's hard to get at the top.
Yeah.
Okay, get in. Get in.
I'm not again.
Yeah.
Oh,